David Marcus of Refrigeration Rescue, and today we're going to talk about installing a compressor hard start kit on this undercounter cooler. So we're going to separate now our fan power, fan wires, and our main power wires coming from the plug. Get those as close as I can. And the main power plug, one goes to this overload relay. One goes to the start relay. So that is our main power from the plug, which is grounded to the fan here bracket. And this is our fan power. So what we're doing is checking continuity on the compressor. We have our meter set on continuity, and we should have an audible beep between each of the prongs. Which we do. So we do have continuity. So we notice on our start relay and our overload relay, we both have one main power wire and one fan wire. So we're going to do the same on our hard start kit. We're using the good old Supco Universal 3-in-1 here, half horse, because we have a 1/2 horsepower compressor we are dealing with. Okay, and we have prongs left to right, one in the middle. And our diagram should show that we will have black in the middle, which is our common. We should have white on the left, red on the right. So left to right, we should have white, black, and red. So let's go ahead and wire that guy. Go white. Snug back on there, which is our run, common, which is black top, and then red, which is run, on the right. Just like driving, right on red. Okay, now we have two main power wires coming off of our hard start kit here. And we're going to take one leg of this to one leg of main power. So we're going to take, here's our plug power where it splits off. We're going to do one leg of it to a leg of the hard start, and then one leg off of our fan is going to tie into there as well. So what we've done is took one leg of our fan, one leg of our plug power, and one leg of our hard start, and wire nutted the three together. So we have, for example, fan, plug, hard start on both. We're just going to clip this guy out of the way. Nice and tidy. All of our wires kind of zip tied together and out of the way to keep them out of the fan. Okay, and our hard start kit is installed. Turn our fan power on, please, or our thermostat power. Alright, we now have a compressor sound. We did not have before, but just to verify. Just to verify, we're going to put our meter on amps. We're going to clip the red, which is our run wire. And our compressor is in fact running on around 7 amps, which is great. A lot of times you will hear what you think is the compressor and it's just the fan. So always check your run wire, which is normally your red wire. Make sure you have amps, and that's also, of course, the way you check lock rotor amps to see if one is locked down. So, anyhow,